Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best craft kits for adults is probably one of the most rewarding ways to unwind and express your creativity, offering a delightful escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. And whether you're a seasoned crafter looking for a new challenge or a complete beginner eager to explore a new hobby, these carefully curated kits provide everything you need to create something beautiful and unique, making them the perfect way to de-stress, learn new skills, and produce a tangible piece of art you can be proud of. Number 5. Skillmatics Foil Fun Pretty Patterns. Unleash your creativity with this magical, mess-free activity. Transform simple stickers and magnets into dazzling works of art with shimmering foil sheets. It's hours of sparkly fun for everyone. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. We've included plenty of magnets, foam stickers, and colorful foil sheets, along with easy-to-follow instructions. This creative kit has been recognized with prestigious awards, including the Toy Insider's Top Summer Toy Award. It's a proven hit for sparking imagination. It's incredibly simple to use. Just select your piece, press on the foil, and peel it away to reveal the magic. Then, personalize your belongings like laptops, fridges, and notebooks with your sparkling creations. Enjoy a calming and creative experience as you design and make your own unique foil stickers. It's a wonderful way to unwind and express yourself. Experience the joy of art and crafts without any of the mess. This is the perfect creative activity for home, parties, or classroom fun. Looking for a gift or party activity? This is an ideal choice for kids, teens, adults, and families. It provides hours of engaging, screen-free entertainment for everyone. What we like? This kit offers a truly mess-free crafting experience with dazzling results. You can transform simple stickers and magnets into sparkly works of art. If you're looking for a fun, tactile activity that adds a personal touch to your belongings without the usual craft chaos, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary materials and tools, making it convenient for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with helpful diagrams. The finished product is beautiful and looks professional. Number 4. ETSPIL Embroidery Kit for Beginners. Unlock your creativity with our beginner-friendly embroidery kit. Everything you need is included, so you can start stitching confidently from day one. Learn at your own pace with clear, step-by-step instructions and detailed video tutorials. Designed for adults seeking a mindful and rewarding craft. Enjoy elegant, nature-inspired patterns that blend beautifully with your stitches for a sophisticated, frame-worthy finish. It's the perfect way to unwind and create something beautiful. We've included every tool you need to focus on the joy of stitching. A magnetic needle minder keeps your needle secure, while the included needles, threaders, scissors, and hoop ensure a smooth and frustration-free experience. Arriving in a stunning keepsake box, this kit makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. Give the gift of calm and creativity. Open the box and begin your embroidery journey right away. With a comprehensive guidebook and 4K video tutorials, you'll have all the support you need. It's a complete set designed for immediate enjoyment. What we like? Learn embroidery with unparalleled guidance, featuring crystal-clear 4K video tutorials and a helpful magnetic needle minder. This kit is designed for adults seeking a sophisticated and relaxing creative escape. If you're a beginner who appreciates detailed instruction and wants a mindful, screen-free way to create beautiful, frame-worthy art, this is the perfect kit for you. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary materials and tools for completing the project. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished product is beautiful and looks professionally made. Number 3. Meland Fuse Beads Kit. Discover endless crafting possibilities with our vibrant Fuse Beads Kit. It's packed with everything you need for hours of creative fun. This comprehensive set includes 11,000 beads in 36 colors, plus pegboards, tweezers, and accessories. You'll have all the tools to bring your imagination to life. Design your own unique 3D artwork, perfect for decorations or personalized accessories. This activity enhances spatial awareness and fine motor skills. Step away from screens and engage in a fun, interactive activity. It's a wonderful way for children to develop concentration and share ideas together. Craft with confidence using our premium, kid-safe plastic beads. They are designed to melt beautifully without harsh odors, ensuring lasting colors. Looking for an amazing gift? This kit comes in a beautiful box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for aspiring young artists. What we like? This extensive kit provides a massive 11,000 beads in 36 vibrant colors, offering endless possibilities for creativity. It's perfect for developing fine motor skills and spatial awareness through 3D artwork. If you're looking for an engaging, interactive activity that can keep kids and adults entertained for hours, especially for group play or family nights, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary materials and tools, making it convenient for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with step-by-step diagrams. The finished product is beautiful and looks professionally made. Number 2. Rolife CATHY'S Greenhouse DIY Miniature Kit. Discover CATHY'S Flower House, a stunning miniature greenhouse. Its classic pointed arch design and lush plants are inspired by nature's beauty, creating a captivating botanical display. This charming piece is perfectly sized to enhance any tabletop, shelf, or corner. It adds a touch of elegance and becomes a memorable focal point in your home. Experience a superior build with high-precision prints and an oil painting corner. Enjoy easy assembly with adhesive-free frames and pre-colored furniture, no paper cutting required. It's the ideal gift for plant lovers and DIY craft hobbyists. This miniature greenhouse offers an engaging building experience with intricate details, making it a thoughtful present. We are dedicated to providing excellent after-sales service. If you encounter any issues during assembly, please contact us for prompt assistance and the best possible results. What we like? This kit allows you to build a charming miniature greenhouse filled with detailed botanical elements and furniture. It features an elegant, classic design with an emphasis on high-quality materials and an adhesive-free assembly process. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a plant lover looking for a sophisticated and rewarding building experience that results in a beautiful decor piece, this miniature house kit is ideal. What people say. This kit is perfect for beginners and includes all the necessary materials to create a beautiful piece of art. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior experience in crafting. The finished product looks professional and can be displayed proudly in any home. Number 1. 8 PCS Diamond Art Coasters Kits. Discover a fun and engaging way to express your artistic side. These kits provide everything you need to create beautiful, personalized coasters. Each package includes 8 coasters, cork pads, a holder, and all the diamond dots and tools required for your crafting journey. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, these coasters feature clear, easy-to-read patterns and strong adhesion to ensure your designs last. With clear instructions and included tools, anyone can easily create stunning coasters. Just peel, place the diamonds, and attach the cork backing. The natural cork bottom protects your furniture from scratches and heat, while also keeping the coaster securely in place. Surprise your loved ones with a unique, handmade gift. It's an ideal present for any occasion, perfect for DIY enthusiasts of all ages. What we like? Create beautiful, functional art with these diamond painting coasters that come with a convenient holder. The acrylic coasters feature clear patterns and strong adhesion, ensuring a durable and sparkling finish. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly DIY project that results in practical home decor and a thoughtful gift, especially for those who enjoy sparkling crafts and want to protect their furniture, this set is a perfect fit. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary materials and tools, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with step-by-step diagrams that guide you through the process. The finished product is beautiful and looks professionally made, exceeding my expectations for a DIY kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.